Hi, it's your friendly neighborhood marketing girl here at A&B Heating and Cooling. Today we're going to be talking about how a filter from Carrier can actually help you keep your family safe and healthy this flu season. If you're like me, when flu season rolls around, you live off of three things: vitamins, hand sanitizer, and disinfectant spray. But there's only so much you can do with those. What if there was a filter that could help you keep your home disinfected? That's when we introduce the Capture and Kill filter from Carrier Products. This is the Capture and Kill filter from Carrier Products. Like most filters, it catches anything that is in your air that makes your air unclean, such as dog hair, pet dandruff, dust particles, and so on. But unlike other filters, this one also catches disease-causing bacteria. Inside this filter is a built-in UV light. This UV light kills the bacteria once it is caught. This is actually the filter that we use here in our office. I'd have to say it works pretty well. But what's even better than showing you the filter outside of the unit is showing you the filter in action. So now we're going to go to our service manager, Keith, and he's going to show you what the filter looks like inside of your unit. Okay, and here we see our filter inside the unit. Now the filter just slides in on the top, and once you seal everything back up, you flip the switch, and once the green light comes on, the filter is working and ready to go. If you have any questions about the Capture and Kill filter, or whether or not it would work for you, please feel free to call our office or stop by. Our service manager, Keith, would be happy to answer your questions and see if this filter would work for you. And that's it for Need to Know with A&B. Once again, I'm your friendly marketing girl, Rebecca, and I hope to see you next time.